We're good. Let's go. Game.
My assistant will be recording this match.
You mean the owner? Damn. Talking about the owner. The owner is going first.
That's a compliment.
Attack. God damn it. He's already hitting triggers. This is the sign of I'm gonna lose. Yeah. Oh my god.
I reveal grade 3, search for a for a blaster card.
Oh.
And discard a card from my hand.
Okay.
That's 5. I need. We have 2.
Jeez, I know.
One strike to its chin is just. If I can avoid it, I do. Yeah. I am not. I just. If somebody wants to argue with me about the rules that I have to follow.
I wanna.
Well, my perfect cards mean something to you. They didn't mean shit on this game. I block all sentinels. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, jeez, dude. Like I said, when it comes to actually doing things, customers are very good. They want to argue, and I don't have the do what they want because the rules say so. Then I'm gonna eventually just give up and say.
Said I had to.
And I will say those exact words. Oh wait, why I can't?
Fight me.
I have to look at that for a second.
It's my thank God you didn't hit a trigger column.
Why are you doing is putting the card that you shuffled. You're doing the same thing as when you just let
I can sack this one.
Attack the Vanguard for 14.
It's a good thing I perfect card that. Stand and draw.
Oh, game over.
That would have been game over.
Sadness. Sadness that I wasn't game over.
I still lose.
You need a card that's like the new Asha. Because the new Asha, at the end of either person's turn, you get superior card. It's like that.
YOLO.
Grant your big belly card.
31.
Expert stealth.
On hit, you gain power, right?
Yup.
Perfect.
Sure. First check. Second check. Fuck me. Powers. Stand, I guess. Third check. Power stand, I guess.
9 affects the Vanguard. Oh.
Oh, you want me to choose one of those?
To where?
Yay!
Brian, give me one of your maps.
Yeah, I know I like using my Vanguard, but come on.
This is hitting my Vanguard? Oh, it has hit my Vanguard.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's my whole L?
Well,
That's fine.
That was the stores.
The only one you give my
Was that what you draw? Oh.
Pause
the unit of attack. Okay.
go.
You want 5 color beat down?
17.
I want returning heal triggers. That would be sure. All of my triggers have effects except for the heal triggers.
Strat skill shit.
This one?
No, I'm shooting Vanguard.
Oh.
It actually doesn't stop. Because since there's such a big gap, it doesn't really bother me. Like if you can push up with these, that's different.
Oh, oops. Oh, cry.
And you can go wide and you still like that. Drop. Kind of just like bend.
And I blame somebody else if they got
No, I didn't activate. Oh.
Really? Really?
Yep.
I don't even care anymore. I'm so bad at shuffling.
Well, at the time it was calculated. No, so I got away with it. That's still evil. It wasn't fatal.
Should start it.
It doesn't have to be
Should do it.
fatal. It isn't. It's still.
This owls.
That is evil, sir. That is not
We're all
26.
facing each other.
What's that right now?
16.
I'm rolling. 19.
There you go. That's evil. That's
You know,
evil.
they're
But I
like,
did it wrong.
I'm going poised.
No, it was evil. It's still evil. It's even
21.
more so
oh,
considering
are you
it's
gonna
enemies
stop with me?
That's the point.
Oh,
Yeah.
very good.
Partial
I
mulligan?
said I would stay killing.
I got lucky.
I couldn't be.
I would classify it as evil at that point. I would have had it in life.
I hate that I'm in the field.
What?
Really?
Attack the vanguard for an
You know how to keep getting
Yeah.
Any thought power? I did that. Like I would give beggars money.
11.
Yo, choose
That
something
was
Bad.
the only reason I didn't go evil.
Oh.
It's a good thing I hit this first.
No, I'm good.
26.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Wait, you're a piano on you?
Right?
I love those.
Okay.
Get the circle.
And it dropped.
Get this way.
Hit 3. Could YOLO or make that fatty? Up to you. Oh no.
If you reveal the card, you don't
I have to reveal it every time.
How many cards you gonna have?
And boost. Oh god, you're gonna be calling stuff.
Fuck it.
That was the Vanguard.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine.
But I have to reveal it every time. Oh.
As long as that's there.
The thing is, like, I don't have enough cards. I have to guard you next turn anyway. Because it's gonna retire.
That's actually a really good
So you can just Diablo me.
See? It's just Diablo. I'm fine with Luard. It's just
Well, see,
Diablo.
the problem is,
I can go, yeah.
I shoot my own fucking units.
I'm going.
But the bigger problem is he also shoots my units.
My life.
So I can't draw as many cards as I would like to.
I don't actually bear things in the gate now.
Yeah, I could have.
Is that it?
So that gets boost.
Do those stay?
Oh boy.
It's unfortunate.
Why?
Because I would have liked. Because then you retire them.
You say that, but they need to be alive.
Luards are chill.
Diablo? Spectral.
That is your entire and my you retire something you might.
I'm assuming it's a better one. Alright, swing with the Vanguard.
Skip.
Yeah.
That's the card that would be there. That's fine.
Gotcha. 6K, 6K.
Yep.
11.
So this is
Oh, that's hitting me. 2 damage?
Yeah, go.
Oh, okay, listen.
Yeah, roll that. I won't.
That's unfortunate.
boost.
That's unfortunate.
Jesus.
No, that was my draw. Go raw.